Airport. Airport. Airline. Airline. The company that owns the plane. The company that owns the plane. Airplane or aeroplane. Airplane or aeroplane. Flight. Flight. Ticket. Ticket. Ticket sales. Ticket sales. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. A ticket that permits you to enter the airplane. Passport. Passport. Information board. Information board. Boarding time. Boarding time. Domestic flight. Domestic flight. A flight that begins and ends in the same country. Connecting flight. Connecting flight. Kind of flight in which you reach the final destination through two or more flight. International flight. International flight. Flying to a different country. Flying to a different country. First class. First class. Economy class. Economy class. Business class. Business class. Passengers. Passengers. Check-in desk. Check-in desk. Where you show your ticket, your ID documents, and you will have to check in your luggage. Baggage or luggage. Baggage or luggage. Suitcase. Suitcase. Backpack. Scale. Scale. The scale shows how heavy luggage your is. The scale shows how heavy luggage your is. Security check. Security check. It is a place where some people will check your luggage. Baggage scanning. Baggage scanning. Bag tag. Bag tag. Trolley or cart. Trolley or cart. Passport control. Passport control. Where the police will check your passport. Where the police will check your passport. Departure lounge. Departure lounge. Gate. Gate. Get on or board the plane. Get on or board the plane. Runway. Runway. Cabin crew. Cabin crew. All the people on the plane who are not passengers. Pilot. Pilot. Cockpit. Cockpit. Flight attendant. Flight attendant is a person who takes care of the passengers. They answer to their questions, to their requests, and they offer food and drinks. Aisle. Aisle. Seat. Seat. Window seat. Window seat. Middle seat. Middle seat. Aisle seat. Aisle seat. Carry-on luggage or hand luggage. Carry-on luggage or hand luggage. Seatbelt. Seatbelt. Fasten your seatbelt. Fasten your seatbelt. Overhead locker. Overhead locker. Tray table. Tray table. Oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. Life vest or life jacket. Life vest or life jacket. Emergency exit. Emergency exit. Departure. Departure. Turbulence. Turbulence is the movements of a plane because of the resistance of air. Arrivals. Arrivals. Baggage claim. Baggage claim. Baggage carousel. Baggage carousel. Customs control. Customs control is a place where international passengers will have to go before entering the next country.